In a year or so when I'm rich and I ain't ever gotta clock in, I'ma call my girl and my friends and tell them all to come with. I do want new tattoos, 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 I do want new tattoos.
Tattoos.